Welcome to Jurassic World Toy Hunt here. We are at Target. Finally found the Jurassic World Survival CRYOLOPHOSAURUS here. This is a rare find here. Can't find this at Walmart or Target. This is the first Target that I found, or anywhere Walmart. So this Jurassic World Survival CRYOLOPHOSAURUS is a rare find, so you can find one, get it. This is probably one of the best looking one they got for the Wild World set. It's $19.99 here, but this week only you get 20% off in this new arrival, so it's $15.99. This is a good savings for this new arrival Jurassic World Survival CRYOLOPHOSAURUS. Let's look at the detail on this here. All these spots here, and look at that top of his head here. That's mouth feature with the tongue and the teeth, and they're soft touch. These are all hardened plastic. Even these are soft touch right here. The spines on the top of his back and his head here, and it moves. There's a button here. Let's see the sound of this. It was originally $19.99, but this week only Jurassic World Toy is 20% off until July 4th for 6/28 to July 4th here. So this is $15.99. This is a must buy. This is probably the best set they have here, because this is also my second favorite here. And this is the STOMATOSUCHUS here. And this is the crocodile like here on the Jurassic World Survival Wild World set. Look at that launch feature. Now look at this CRYOLOPHOSAURUS again. Look at that LED lights matching all this. This is pretty awesome. This is probably my favorite one. I never seen one like this before, so this is a must buy, the Wild World CRYOLOPHOSAURUS here. And they also have the TRICERATOPS, of course, here. Again, this is $19.99 here at Target. Walmart's cheaper. Walmart's is the price is at $17.97, but since this is 20% off, so all of these gonna be $15.99. I can verify it once too with this one here. Look at this here. There it is. See, it's $15.99 here, 20% off. So these Wild World set is $15.99. This is out of stock. They still got one left here, this Target store here location. So this is a must buy this week only. So those of you that are collecting these Wild World set, this is probably the best Wild World set there is. There's one missing, and it's the METRIACANTHOSAURUS here. That's the only one that's missing. So we got these other two. We got the Triceratops, and we got the STOMATOSUCHUS, which is this, and the rare find here is the CRYOLOPHOSAURUS. A must buy. You can find this. Look how awesome the sound is. So it will look like on the back. Look at that. See it? So this is a must buy. You can find this CRYOLOPHOSAURUS here. This is very hard to find at either Walmart or Target or any other stores. So this week only, all Jurassic World toys 20% off until July 4th here, 2026 here. I'll do you comparison here. So this is $37.99, the Reimagined Real Feel Indoor Wrapper. And I think the price is gonna be around $30. There it is. It'd be $30.39. So this would be $30.39 here for the 20% off here. So this is a good deal to have this week for July 4th. So those of you that want, let's say the Spinosaurus is $51.99. So all $51.99 here is going to be about less than $40, about $39, I'm guessing. Maybe a little more, $41.59. So anything that's $51.99 is gonna be $41.59 here at Target. So those of you that like the Spinosaurus, this is pretty old. It's been over a year, and this one here came out. So this is gonna be $41.49. The Rumble and Rampage Distorted Rex is $51.99, but it'd be $41.49 if you buy it this week. And this will be 30. It's $37.99, but it'll be $39 here for the real feel Triceratops here. So this T-Rex is $51.99. It's gonna be $41.49. So anything that is like this one, the new one here, this Iron Dragon here, it's $9.99 here at Target. Let's see the 20% off. It should be about $8. So, I'm sorry. So these are not on sale. So only the Jurassic World toys on sale. So these MONSTERVERSE is still original price. So these only on 20% off on the Jurassic World toy. This Iron Dragon is still $9.99. So this week only, get the Power Devour T-Rex for $41.49. The Spinosaurus for $41.49, off 20% off. And get the Real Feel Indoraptor for $31.39. This is also $41.49. The Distorted Rex. And this is going to be 20% off. This is going to be $15 off. So this is going to be $60, $59.99. The Super Colossal Mosasaurus, this is 2 years old. So, and also you can get the Real Feel Velociraptor Jurassic World Legacy set here. This should be $31.49 too. Let me check. Yeah, $31.39. I'm sorry. $30.39. So $30.39 for anything that's $37.99. $30.39. So this original $37.99 can be $30.39. So this $30.39 for this. $30.39 for all the reimagined toy. And Triceratops. So, but the main reason here, and I forgot we got these too. So we got these Jurassic Hammond collection here. We got the HYPSILOPHODON, and we also got the DILOPHOSAURUS. They're $16.99, but 20% off. It will be $13.59. So these will be $13.59. Any Hammond collection will be $13.59, and this one also will be $13.59 here too. So the HYPSILOPHODON here will be $13.59. But the star of the show is this CRYOLOPHOSAURUS, $15.99 for 20% off. Originally this is $19.99, so take $4 off for this week only. A must buy CRYOLOPHOSAURUS, a rare find. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.